Hi, we're Michael and Linda Day with Keller Williams Southwest. Linda joined Keller Williams Southwest in 2011, and I joined her shortly after when I realized what a great team we made.
Keller Williams Southwest appealed to me because their value statement is God first, family second, and then business.
It has a great agent training program. We took advantage of this when we started, and we still benefit from all the learning opportunities.
We also enjoy teaching other agents and assisting them in their own endeavors.
Fort Bend County has been our home for many years. It's friendly, has great schools, and it's a wonderful area to raise a family or even retire. There's something for everyone here.
We know and love Fort Bend County for its diversity in which each community has to offer.
We love to bike, and we've participated in the MS 150, and we also enjoy supporting other charities in the area.
When you work with us, you have two people walking you through the entire process and ensuring things get done properly and on time.
We use professional photography, videos, staging, drones, and night photos, along with enticing descriptions to capture buyers looking online. 90% of the marketing effort happens before the home goes on the market.
And knowing the area as well as we do helps. We know the schools, churches, and area activities and great restaurants.
Sometimes you walk into a house with a buyer and you know that this is the perfect match for them. And watching them come to that same conclusion is a heartwarming experience.
Each time we work with a client, we try and leave a positive impression, and they graciously refer us to their friends and family. We are here for you all day, every day. We are Linda and Michael Day with Keller Williams Southwest.
And we have what it takes to push real estate forward.